This is the tutorial on how to request stock in stock item page. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, click on the Inventory tab. Next, click Stocks. At the stock items here, click the plus button. Click Request Stock. Fill in the details of stock item that you want to request. Please note that this feature is only available to those with the centralized purchase setting. If you want to add another item, click Add Item Type and repeat the same steps. After completing the details, click Save. Stock request has now been added. Now, when we navigate to the stock request, you'll see that the request has been successfully added to the list. Click on the arrow to view the details. You can choose to edit, delete, or approve. We can see that the status is currently in draft. Click Approve to approve the request. The requests are now approved. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.